Wondering if your HP docking station is actually on? The easiest way to tell is by looking for the power indicator LED. This small light is usually located near the power input or on the front of the dock. A solid white or blue light typically means it's powered on and ready to go. If the light is off, double-check your power connections. If you see amber, yellow, red, or blinking lights, this indicates charging mode, standby mode, or errors. Use the HP Support Assistant app for deeper diagnostics. HP uses a color-coded system to help you quickly understand your docking station's status. A steady white or blue light means everything is working correctly. An amber or yellow light indicates the dock is in charging or standby mode. Red or blinking lights signal an error, like overheating or a power supply issue. No light at all means there's no power or a faulty connection. If the LED doesn't light up, check the power cable, outlet, and connections to your laptop.